Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope all you are doing great in your life and you are growing in your life. Let's practice some simple present sentences. He goes, he does not go. Does he go? Why does he go? Who does he go? He cooks food. He does not cook food. Does he cook food? Why does he cook food? Who cooks food? He plays cricket. He does not play cricket. Does he play cricket? Who plays cricket? I help you. I don't help you. Do I help you? Why I help you? Who helps you? I go there. I don't go there. Do I go there? Why do I go there? Who goes there? He speaks English. He does not speak English. Does he speak English? Why does he speak English? Why does he speak English? She helps me. She does not help me. Does she help me? Why does she help me? Who helps me? She drinks water. She does not drink water. Does he drinks water? Why does he drinks water? Who drinks water? She makes chapati. She does not make chapati. Does he make chapati? Who makes chapati? He rides bicycle. He does not ride bicycle. Does he ride bicycle? Why does he ride bicycle? Who rides bicycle? He plucks flower. He does not pluck flower. Does he pluck flowers? Why does he pluck flowers? Who plucks flowers? He takes bath. He takes bath. He does not take bath. Does he take bath? Why does he take bath? Who takes bath? He dances on the stage. He does not dance on the stage. Does he dance on the stage? Why does he dance on the stage? Who dance on the stage? So guys, these are some practice for simple present. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe button, and it will help me for my future, because I am practicing. I want to grow and I want to fluence my English speaking. If you support me, so if you have any suggestion, please give me so that I can improve. Thank you for your valuable time. Thank you for your precious time you are giving me. Thank you. Bye bye.